Hello everyone and welcome to the 14th video of the Learn HTML series. Sometimes it would be nice to list a couple things on our web page. There are a couple of HTML elements we can use for that. Let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So we have our template file here. Let's open it with Notepad. Here we go. So HTML lists allow us to group a set of related items in lists. Let's talk first about an unordered list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. So the list items will be marked with bullets. These bullets are small black circles and this is by default. So let's create one. So for the unordered list, we need to start with the UL tag, and let's also close with the UL closing tag. Then inside we can define list items. We can do it like this. So here we go. We also need to close them. Let's define one more. Let's just copy it like this. Okay, so now we have our unordered list. Let's put in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now if we save this file, let's save as list.html. Now, if we open it in a browser, we can see an unordered list, which is defined with bullet points or these small black circles. We can also use ordered lists instead of the unordered lists. An ordered list starts with the OL tag for ordered list. Each list item starts with the LI tag, like before. So the list items will be marked with numbers by default instead of these black small circles. So let's change the type of our list to ordered. We do this by changing the UL to OL. And now if we save this and reload the browser, we can see that our list is now ordered with numbers. Last but not least, HTML also supports description lists. So a description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. The DL tag defines the description list. The DD tag defines the term or the name. And the DD tag describes each term. So let's do this. Let's change our existing list to DDL. This is our description list, and now we don't have list items anymore. We now have description terms or description names. So we need to change this back to DT for our description term. And the last one, and to describe it, we need to use the DD tag. Let's describe this structure of our HTML. Let's copy it and paste it here. And let's make this our style. And let's make this our logic. Now, if we save it and reload the browser, we can see now that we have the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the description terms and with its description, structure, style, logic. It isn't very beautiful right now, but we can make it more beautiful with CSS later on. But this is for another tutorial. So we're now able to list text in a couple of different ways. In the next video, we will learn more about block and inline elements, so we can understand the working and display of HTML elements better. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.